Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Seminole, Florida. This is just a little quick video as a reminder to some of you guys out there maybe new to the business of how important decontaminating the wheels are on your car. I'm about to start this job on this Acura here. It's nice and bright and early in the morning. And my client dropped the car off last night so I could get a nice early start. And he said, "Hey JJ, you won't even have to clean the wheels at all because my son, whose car this is, keeps these wheels very, very clean." And I don't know how well this will show up, but I'm using Griot's Garage fallout remover, which I happen to like. I buy it by the gallon. It's pretty economical, and it just does a great job. So I just did the car and washed the car off and rinsed, and now I am doing the wheels. And lo and behold, sometimes when people think they're really keeping their wheels clean, like I'm going to apply a sealant after I get done with this, and I would not want to, put a wheel wax or any kind of sealant or anything and get over all of this and trap in all of this. You can see it running purple down there. It's not very light outside, and I know this isn't fantastic. Actually, let me grab the inspection light. Pardon me while I move you. And I use this Master Blaster. It's got a lot of chemical resistance to it as long as you rinse it out afterwards. So I've got my Griot's Garage iron fallout remover in it, right? Sprayed it down, needs about 3 to 5 minutes. Bring my inspection light in here, and you can really see that even though these wheels looked immaculately clean, you can see how much iron, how much pollution, how much rail dust, how much contaminant was still on these beautiful wheels. So, just a little reminder, even though you think you're getting it all, you got to use a fallout remover, probably on your wheels maybe every 3 months or so. All right, just a little quick video. I'm going to get back to work here. I thank you for being with me. As always, please share, subscribe, and be sure and come back in for more from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I thank you for being with me.